If you're a woman buying a home after divorce in Omaha, one of the biggest questions becomes, how much house can I safely afford now? Not what the bank says you qualify for, but what actually brings stability and peace in this season of your life. After divorce, life changes in ways that affect housing decisions. Your income may look different, your monthly responsibilities may have shifted. And emotionally, the goal is not usually to stretch financially, it's to rebuild a steady life. So today, I want to walk you through 3 safe, wise ways to determine a safe home price before you start touring homes in the Omaha metro area. Step 1. Look at your real monthly budget. One of the biggest mistakes I see women make after divorce is relying on the lender's approval amount. But we have to remember the lenders are working with numbers, not your practical reality. You are the one actually living your life. That wiser place includes looking at your actual monthly comfort level. Ask yourself, what do I need monthly for peace of mind? What expenses changed after divorce? What unexpected costs have appeared? Many women find out that their true comfort payment is technically lower than what they qualify for. And that's okay. It's completely okay. Remember, stability is far more valuable than stretching financially. Step 2, leave margin for life. After divorce, margin becomes incredibly important. Homes require maintenance. Life brings unexpected expenses, and children have needs. From experience, when someone purchases a home at the top of their purchase price, at the top of their approval limit, it brings nothing but unrest, instability, and much stress. A healthier approach is asking, will I still feel secure if something unexpected happens? In Omaha, there are indeed many beautiful homes ranging from various price ranges. But your goal isn't to purchase the biggest and the best. Your goal is to purchase what will cause you to be at rest and have wiggle room, margin, in case something happens unexpectedly. The goal is buying the right house for the new chapter in your life. Step 3, choose stability over emotions. Yes, ma'am. After divorce, emotions can quietly influence housing decisions. Many times, women want to recreate the lifestyle they once had. Other times, they want to prove that they're doing just fine. But wise decisions usually come from a different place. They come from asking, what kind of home will support the life I'm building now? Often the most empowering choice is the home that allows you to breathe financially, rebuild savings, and create a calm environment for your family. If you're a woman in the Omaha area working through these decisions after divorce, I regularly provide guidance to help you move forward with clarity, not pressure. You can find more videos on this channel that walk you through the process step by step. If we have not met, my name is Lynetta Anderson. I am a local realtor here in the Omaha metro area with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services and Ambassador Real Estate. I specialize in helping women rebuild life after divorce here in Omaha. This season of your life is bringing a lot of questions, and it's completely okay. My goal is to help walk you through your questions so that you can make wise decisions moving forward as you rebuild your life. When thinking about what price range works for you, here are 3 practical steps. First, talk with a trusted lender in order to understand your approval range. Second, understand your comfortable monthly payment so that you can comfortably live month to month. Third, focus on homes in neighborhoods that support your stability, not bring unrest. The Omaha Metro has many wonderful communities that offer safety, value, and an opportunity for a fresh start. Beautiful blessing, buying a home after divorce in Omaha is more than just financial decisions. It's about you rebuilding your life. And when the price of the home fits the life that you're creating, it will bring something incredibly valuable, and that is peace. If you are working through housing decisions here in the Omaha area and you want steady guidance, I would be honored to help you. And if this video helped to bring clarity, you may want to watch the next video in this series where I explain what actual lenders look for after divorce before approving a home loan. Watch next, after divorce here in Omaha, what lenders look for after divorce before approving your home loan.